Hello everyone, today we introduce the trunk-based tree segmentation function under ALS Forest module. This function is achieved through two steps, trunk extraction and point cloud segmentation. The first step uses deep learning to extract tree trunks, and the second step uses these trunks as seed points to grow the remaining canopy. Compared to pure point cloud segmentation, this method is less affected by underbrush and provides more accurate trunk extraction. It works best for plantation forests with trees having a DBH of 10 cm or more. In the ALS Forest toolset, double-click to activate the trunk-based tree segmentation function, which will open the feature window. Next, we will explain the parameters in the function window. The input data must be normalized point cloud data. The initial class refers to the categories of point clouds that will participate in the segmentation. By default, all categories are selected. The trunk class defaults to 23 trunk, and the segmented trunks will be labeled under this category. The foliage class defaults to 24 branches and leaves, and the segmented canopy points will be labeled under this category. Then, set the height above ground parameter. Only point clouds above this height will participate in trunk extraction. This parameter helps reduce the impact of ground point cloud thickness or weeds on individual tree segmentation results. If this value is set too high, it may affect the accuracy of detecting tree stem diameters. You can optionally choose to prioritize using GPU for computation. Check the Optimize Color Rendering for Individual Tree Segmentation Result option to significantly reduce the issue of adjacent trees being assigned the same color by rearranging the ID information after individual tree segmentation. Set the output path to save the results. By default, the results are saved in a TREEB format individual tree attribute file, but you can also choose to output in CSV format. Click Default to restore all parameter settings to their default values. After completing the settings, click OK, and wait for the results to be generated. Load the segmented individual tree attribute file and display the labels according to the tree ID. Open the individual tree attribute file to view the attributes of each tree after segmentation. Check the tree segmentation results. If the results are unsatisfactory, you can adjust the parameters and rerun the segmentation, or use the Individual Tree Editor function to manually edit the segmentation results. That concludes the introduction to the trunk-based tree segmentation function in ALS Forest. Thank you for watching.